Indian Meteorological Department has issued orange alert for 4 states of Northeast, that is Nagaland, Manipur and Tripura, with heavy rainfall predicted in the next 24 hours. As per IMD report, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura are likely to get isolated heavy to heavy rainfall of 115.5 to 204.4 millimeter on May 5th, which is tomorrow. The report added that a cyclonic circulation lies over northeast Assam and trough runs from North Bihar to Manipur in the lower tropospheric levels. Arunachal Pradesh, Assam, Meghalaya, Nagaland, Manipur, Mizoram and Tripura will likely get heavy rainfall accompanied by thunderstorms and lightning with gusty winds of 40 to 50 km per hour in the next 5 days.